Every day, we knowingly or unknowingly experience globalization. The worldwide movement of people, ideas, money, goods, data, drugs, weapons, computer and biological viruses, greenhouse gases, and more.
So we all know now what is globalization. So there are many types of globalization, but the common type of globalization is, or one of the common type of globalization is social globalization. Social globalization, also known as sociological globalization. So social globalization refers to the integration of our societies. So not to be confused with cultural globalization, it is referred to the idea that we now live in a shared society. So there are many different cultures within society, but a society is a group of people who all live together. And now, more than ever, it feels as if we all live in one society instead of a group of a different societies. So, for example, what happens in Afghanistan can affect what happens in the United States. Contagion in China spreads all over corners of the world. A nuclear weapon in North Korea can threaten lives in New Zealand. So it appears we are now all a common society who need to learn to get along despite of our different cultures and beliefs, because what we do affects people all around the world. So another aspect of social globalization is the movement of people. So people can go from one country to another easily. And those who are most highly educated can get jobs in different nations with more ease than ever. So another type of globalization is the economic globalization. So economic globalization refers to the ways of corporations do business as multinational organization nowadays. Whereas once McDonald's only existed in the US and HSBC only existed in the UK. So now these companies are all over the world in a globalized economy. So you will also notice the movement of manufacturing industries to developing nations, to making the most of the low wages and lowers the price of goods. So this can help developing nations increase all over employment, but can be considered exploitation of nations with a poor working conditions. It also takes a good paying jobs away from developed nations.